Hello everyone. Let us start our day with one inspirational quote. Understand that consistency is essential. Nothing is achieved without it. I repeat, understand that consistency is essential. Nothing is achieved without it. It means that your efforts must be consistent if you want to achieve your goal. So, students, are you ready with your book copy and compass? Completed your copies. In our last video, we have seen how to solve the mixed problems. In continuation with that, let us move on to question number 2. 3,45,678 minus 1,62,054 plus 6,127. See, first they have told us to do the subtraction, then addition. So, whatever will be the answer of the first operation, you have to add it with the third number. Okay, so let us do that. So arrange the numbers one below the another, then start subtraction. 8 minus 4, 4. 7 minus 5, 2. 6 minus 0, 6. 5 minus 2, 3. 4 minus 6, not possible. Ask for a borrow. This 3 will become 2 after giving borrow. And this 4 will become 14 after getting borrow. So 14 minus 6 will be 8. 2 minus 1 will be 1. Now what is your answer? 1,83,624. Now whatever will be the answer of first operation, you have to add with the third number. So arrange the first two numbers. Then 4 plus 7, 11. 11 ka 1. 1 will be carry. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 6 plus 1, 7. 3 plus 0, 3. 8 plus 0, 8. 1 plus 6, 7. What is your answer then? 7,83,751. So this is the final answer of your mixed problem. So what is the answer? 7,83,751. In these examples, both operations, addition and subtraction, have to be done. They are done in the order in which they are given. So you have to follow the sequence. If they have asked you to do first addition, then you have to add them. If they have told you to ask for a subtraction first, then you have to subtract it. It is not fixed that whether you have to do first addition or subtraction. Whatever the question asks you, you have to follow it accordingly. In actual cases, we need to consider the specific problem to decide which operation must be done first. Okay, so in word problem, you first have to understand what the question is saying and then decide its sequence, whether you first have to add them or subtract them. And then according to the situation, you have to decide and then perform accordingly. So let us see first one word problem, then you will understand. The total amount spent on building a certain house was 87 lakh 14,530. Of this amount, 24 lakh 72,615 were spent on buying a plot of land, 50 lakh 43,720 on the construction material, and the rest on labor charges. So what was the amount spent on labor? See what the three numbers they have given in the question. This is first number. Explain it. What is this? It is the total amount spent. I have wrote down it. Then what is the second number? It is the amount spent on buying a plot. So cost of a plot. What is the third number? It's a construction materials cost. So cost of construction material. Okay. So our given part is finished. Now our to find out. So what is the next sentence? And the rest on labor charges. And what was the amount spent on labor? See, the total amount has been spent under three heads. Means तीन जगह पे उसको अमाउंट को स्पेंड किया गया है. So what is three heads then? First is cost of a plot, second is cost of construction material, and third is a labor charges. Out of three, these two have given, and the last one you have to find out. For such type of questions, what you will do? You will first add the first two quantities that they have given and then subtract their sum from the total so that you will get the third one. If you can't understand it, I will explain you it with one example. If there are 42 people in the class, there are 42 people in the class. Out of them, 20 are girls. Okay, 20 are girls and 20 are boys. So, how many teachers are in the class? What you will do here? You will first add the number of girls and boys. So, 20 plus 20 will be 40 and the total people in the class is 42. So, 42 minus 40 will be 2. So, there are 2 teachers in the class. Got it? So, here what you have to do? What you have done here? There are 3 types of people in the class. Okay, girls, boys and teachers. So out of them they have given 2 quantities, girls and boys. Teachers that you have to find out. So what you have done? You have added girls and boys and then subtracted it from the total. Then you have got the number of teachers. Here also same way you have to do. There are 3 types of heads under which cost amount has been spent. So cost of land, cost of construction material and the labor charges. So add the first 2 quantities and then subtract it from the total. यही किया था ना हमने, अभी जो एग्जाम्पल दिया उसमें टोटल में से माइनस किया था. सेम वे also you have to do. So let us see. Sum of cost. What you have to find out first? Sum of cost of a plot and construction material. First 2 parts को sum करेंगे, ऐड करेंगे and then total में से उनको माइनस करेंगे. So second to find out is amount spent on the labor. So first operation will be addition, second will be subtraction. So let us see. Arrange the numbers one below the another. 5 plus 0, 5, 1 plus 2, 3, 6 plus 7, 13, 13 ka 3, 1 will be carry, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 7 plus 4, 11, 11 ka 1, 1 will be carry, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 0, 5, 2 plus 5, 7. So I have got 75,16,335 rupees total spent for a plot and construction material. So I will subtract it from the total amount. So arrange the numbers, then start subtraction. 0 minus 5 not possible, ask for a borrow. This 3 will become 2 after giving borrow and this 0 will become 10 after getting borrow. So 10 minus 5, 5. 2 minus 3 again not possible, ask for a borrow. This 5 will become 4 after giving borrow and this 2 will become 12 after getting borrow. So 12 minus 3 will be 9. 4 minus 3 will be 1. 4 minus 6 again not possible, ask for a borrow. This 1 will become 0 after giving borrow and this 4 will become 14 after getting borrow. So 14 minus 6 will be 8. 0 minus 1 not possible, again ask for a borrow. This 7 will become 6 after giving borrow. This 0 will become 10 after getting borrow. So 10 minus 1 will be 9. 6 minus 5 will be 1. 8 minus 7 will be 1. So what is my answer? This 75,16,335 is the sum of cost of plot and construction material, whereas 11,98,195 rupees were spent on the labor charges. Write down it in the answer head properly. First to find out का answer लिखेंगे. First to find out का answer so many. Then second to find out का answer amount spent on labor charges is so many. Okay. So in this way you have to solve the word problems based on the mixed problem. Do its enough practice and write everything in your classwork copy and make or repeat it twice in your homework copy. In our next video we will see how to solve the problem set. Thank you. Note here that पूरा आंसर एक स्लाइड में एडजस्ट करने के लिए इस तरह लिखा गया है, बट जब आप कॉपी में लिखोगे आपको फर्स्ट ऑपरेशन पहले लिखना है, उसके नीचे सेकंड ऑपरेशन लिखना है. एडजस्ट करने के लिए ऐसा लिखा गया है. क्वेश्चन आपको अगर विजिबल नहीं है यू कैन राइट इट फ्रॉम द टेक्स्ट बुक ऑल्सो. ओके, सो व्हेन यू राइट you will write in your copy, you have to first write down the first operation, then below it you have to write the second operation. Rest is as it is. Okay, thank you.